Welcome back to another Graffiti video. In this video I go to buy 400 cans of loop spray paint and then I go painting with my friends. And please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. That'll really do me a favour. A lot of people watch my videos but they don't subscribe, so please do that. First up in this trio of walls I paint is a new spot to me. I knew of this spot for a little while, but it's the first time I've painted it. Yeah. Liquid, but there's a lot you can do with it, and you can travel with it as well, which is cool. Here we go. I'm excited about this one. I loaded up the car with a ton of paint and now I am prepping the car, the music, and I've got to go pick someone up on the way. So yeah, it's gonna be good.
I forget how to come here. It's so long time.
The competition, like Robot Kong on a destroy mission. I'm out of life and death. You try to fight for breath. I snatch your heart from a slice through your chest. Who the best? From New York to Bogota. Who got face thinking they scared me with a scar shit? When I'm bringing this a terrorism sight. A performance never again performed on the mic. I say it's my world and I won't stop. And if you stand in my way, you're bound to get dropped. Shit, it's my world and I won't stop. And if you stand in my way, you're bound to get dropped. Shit, it's my world.
So that was a lovely day out, good fun, barbecue, beers, good sunshine, and yeah, good laughs as well. Good to catch up with a load of people that I haven't seen in a long time for a friend's birthday. But now we are up to the northwestern corner of Kent, where I caught up with a few of my other mates from around that way. So there we go, that's it for this video. So those pieces were painted from probably like mid-May to kind of like early mid-June, so very early summer. It's taken me a long time to throw videos together, but yeah, anyway, I've got some nice videos coming up soon, so yeah, stay tuned for them. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment, tell me which piece was your favourite, and yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.